Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is REST API. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is REST API? A REST API or Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface is an architectural style and set of conventions for building web services. It is commonly used for creating web services that can be easily consumed by clients over the internet. REST is based on a client-server model where the server provides resources and the client can interact with these resources using standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. The resources are typically represented using standard data formats such as JSON or XML. Here are some key principles and features of REST APIs. Number 1, stateless. Each request from a client to a server is self-contained and does not rely on the server's previous state. The server treats each request independently, which simplifies scalability and reliability. Number 2, resource-oriented. REST APIs expose resources which can be entities or collections of entities such as users, products, or orders. Each resource is uniquely identified by a URL or uniform resource locator. Number 3, HTTP methods. REST API use HTTP methods to perform operations on resources. The common methods are GET, retrieve a representation of a resource, POST, create a new resource, PUT, update an existing resource or create a new resource, and lastly, delete, remove a resource. Number 4, uniform interface. REST APIs follow a uniform interface, meaning they have a consistent and predictable structure. This simplifies client development and enables loose coupling between the client and server. Number 5, stateless communication. REST APIs do not maintain client state on the server. Instead, each request contains all the necessary information for the server to understand and process it. This allows for scalability and reliability. Number 6, data formats. REST APIs commonly use data formats like JSON or JavaScript object notation or XML extensible markup language to represent the data being sent or retrieved. 7, hypermedia. As the engine of application state, 8 OAS, this principle suggests including hypermedia links in API responses. These links provide navigational and discovery capabilities, allowing clients to understand the available actions and resources dynamically. REST APIs have become popular due to its simplicity, scalability, and compatibility with the various programming languages and platforms. They are widely used in web development, mobile app development, and integration between different systems. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is REST API is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.